Here are some tips on adjusting your partial overlay door hinges. With partial overlay door hinges, you can adjust your cabinet's vertical alignment, door depth, and door gap. To move the door up or down on the frame, loosen the screws in the middle of each hinge. Raise or lower the door until it reaches the desired height, then retighten the screws. Adjusting the door depth can help eliminate a bouncy door front. To do this, adjust the screw at the rear of the hinge, then close the door to ensure it is flush. To change the gap between the doors, adjust the screw at the front of the hinge.